How to fix if Facebook new page review is not working. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Go to your profile, then click on three dots. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Edit. Scroll all the way down. Below Email, you will find Review option. Review option will only show up if you add your phone number, address, email, and other options like hours, price ranges, and services, and fully upload your page by adding profile and everything else. After you're done, you'll find review option in here below manage post, from where you can see review from people. And that's how you fix if Facebook new page review is not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.